Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: power, cable connections, and indicator lights on the modem and router. Unplug power from the modem, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Once the modem is stable, restart the router. Make sure to connect one device with an Ethernet cable to rule out wireless problems, because isolating the wired link tells you whether the issue is local to Wi-Fi or upstream. If LEDs stay abnormal, note their pattern for the next steps. You now dig into configuration. Open the router admin page at the printed IP and record the current settings so you can revert if needed. Once backed up, check for firmware updates and apply them when recommended. This often resolves stability bugs. Next, verify DHCP and DNS assignments and run a ping test to 8 to confirm basic connectivity. If pings succeed but browsing fails, make sure DNS entries are correct. If pings fail, escalate toward modem or ISP diagnosis. You finish by applying the stable configuration or, if corruption persists, performing a factory reset after saving your backup. Re-enter only essential settings: Wi-Fi name, password, and security mode. Then test throughput with a wired speed test and compare results to your ISP plan, because that tells you whether performance is acceptable. If problems continue, collect modem logs and LED patterns and call the ISP. Make sure to provide that information so they
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.